Hey there, Everett. This is John, your piano teacher. But I bet you knew that. Today, I'm going to show you a little bit about a piece called Winter Wind because it's too hot today, and that's what I want to do. Now, I'm going to send you a picture of both of these pieces, but mainly I just want to talk about the motions it takes to play it correctly. So the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to talk about how our hands have to sometimes travel quite a bit. Okay, watch this. I'm going to go from low C up to E flat and G. See that? And then I'm going to play that C, bass C, and then those again. Okay, so why don't we try that a couple times? I'm going to do low C, E and G, C, E and G, C, E and G. That's the whole part. But I'm going to do it again. But at least that's the first four measures. 1, 2, 3. How about it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, just like that. So let's do it nice and slow. You do it with me. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now that's called a C minor chord. It doesn't matter if the C is close to the E flat and the G or far away. There it is. Either way, that chord's the same. And notice how I use the pedal to let go of that low note and keep the chord all sounding together, right? Now check out what my right hand is going to do at the same time. This is kind of fun. I'm going to go like this. Now watch what I was doing, okay? I'm going E flat D, C, D, E flat D, E flat D, C, D, E flat D. See that? So do that first. We're going to do this move twice. That, see? Twice in a row it sounds like this. Can you do that? Why don't you take a second and try? Okay. Middle finger goes on E flat. Pointer finger on D. Thumb on C. And I'm going to go E, D, C, D, E, D, E, D, C, D, E, D. Now, after I've done that twice, I'm going to do this. Watch. E, D, C, D, E, F, G. See that? I'm going to go E flat, do, pa, pa, da, down. Okay, so watch how that goes. Now, I'm going to play the whole thing a lot slower. Okay, I'm going to see if I can aim this phone right here down the keyboard and see how it's going, okay? Now watch this. Oh wait, let me do that right. Now let's do that really slow. Remember that remember how my left hand is doing, right? You practice that with me. Up, up. Now watch that first measure. See that? We're going to put those together, and let's try to do it a few times. How many times? 11 times? That's way too many. Why don't you take a pause on the video and see how many times you need to do that so you get it. Remember, we're going to have the exact same melody in your right hand twice, right? While your left hand is going from a low bass C to just a bass C, okay? Why don't you pause the video and come back when you're ready, okay? And we're back. Okay, so as you just practiced putting those first two measures together, this probably isn't that hard for you. Now watch what we do. See how that works? Right? I'm doing that E flat D, C, D, E flat F, G. And at the same time, I'm doing this under it, right? Why don't you practice that a few times? Press pause on the video. Okay, Now, I'm only going to teach you just a little bit more of this thing because I know it's getting kind of confusing to remember everything. But I bet with just a little bit of practice, you're able to go, oh, wait, I know how it goes. It goes like this. I know that you're learning how to do it because you're pretty good at that kind of thing, I've noticed. Now, watch what my left hand's going to do. My left hand's going to go like this. See that? That first move goes, this is it, what in slow motion. See how F suddenly turns to F sharp at the end of the line? C, D, E flat, F, G, F sharp, G. And then when I do that, my right hand's going to go. You remember this chord with the B and the F and the G? Try to remember what that chord's called. It's called a G7, right? So after I do that, I'm going to do one more move. Oh, that was kind of neat. Watch how that went. G, A flat, G, F, E flat, F, G. Let me show you both of the left hand parts together in a row without the right hand chords. It'll be easier to understand. 2, 3. 2, 3. Did you see that? Let's do it again. 2, 3. 2, 3. Now with the right hand chords, which remember is that G7 chord, it sounds like this. Check it out. And then guess what happens? It just repeats itself until it goes down to C. And we can talk about that ending later. But I'm going to play the whole thing, and I'm going to remind you, we know how to do the first 4 measures pretty easy. You learned it at the beginning of the video. It looks like this. This is the next 4 measures. And then a repeat of the first section, more or less, except for in the 4th set of measures. That's pretty much the same, but then it does ba-da-da-da-da-da. And then there's an outro that I'll teach you next week when I see you in person. All right, cool. Thanks, bud. Talk to you later, and I will send you this music and a picture attached to the video, okay? Hope you have a great week. Bye-bye.